Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manually trigger a flow in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your flows and automation tools within Power Automate. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see several navigation options. Look for and click on My Flows. This section displays all the automated workflows you've created or have access to, making it easy to manage and run them whenever needed. Now, within your flows list, you should see all the flows you've set up in your account. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a flow that has the manually trigger flow action enabled. This type of flow is designed to run on demand rather than automatically, giving you complete control over when it executes. Locate the specific flow you want to run from your list of flows. Here's the first method to manually trigger your flow. Simply hover your mouse cursor over the flow you want to run. When you do this, you'll notice several icons appear on the right side of the flow name. Among these icons, look for the run icon, which typically looks like a play button. Click on this icon to start the flow immediately. Once you click it, the flow will begin executing, and on the right side of your screen, a panel will appear showing you the progress of your flow as it runs through each step. Now let me show you an alternative method to manually trigger the same flow. Instead of hovering and clicking the run icon, click directly on the flow name itself. This will open the full flow details page where you can see all the actions and steps configured in your workflow. This view gives you a complete overview of what your flow does and how it's structured. Once you're inside the flow details page, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options available for managing your flow. Among these options, locate and click the run button at the top of the page. This is another way to manually start your flow and works exactly the same as the previous method. After clicking run, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel shows you the option to confirm and start your flow. Click the Run Flow button in this panel to manually trigger your flow and execute it. The flow will then begin processing, and you can watch it progress through each step in real time on the right side panel. And that's it. You've successfully learnt two different methods to manually trigger a flow in Power Automate, giving you flexibility in how you run your workflows on demand. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.